Hello, good afternoon. My name is Timita Rachel Lishila, and this is my project. All right, so the project is the AI Object Seeker, and I'll be explaining the lines of code one after the other. So the import time is for us to be able to use the time objects or the time extensions in our code. Objects equals to object detection is also to load the object's detection extension. Then the pen, this is a pen extension to load the Pictoblocks pen extension also. So the pen.clear is to clear off if there's any rectangular box or any box around on our image previously. So that's going to clear it off. Then the set threshold is going to set the confidence level of the object is going to be detecting. So that's for the threshold. Then we have object analyze stage. This is going to analyze the object that we have on the stage. So we have object analyze camera but we're using object analyze stage because we have the pictures on the stage. Then objects disable box. The object disable box is to disable boxes that might appear on the stage around the object. So the next thing we're going to do is to use a for loop, and we're going to be using an inbuilt range function, and we're also going to be using a count. So that's what we have for high in range 1 and the object count +1. So we're going to add +1 because since the end of the parameter of the range function is excluded, so that's what we're using, the +1. So we're going to say sprite set x is going to detect the camera, is going to set the position of the x and the position of the y, and also going to set the size and the width. Then it's going to say, so the sprite does say object does class name is going to say the class name of the object, that is where it belongs to, and so on. Then the stamp function is that from the pen class, from the pen extension, and that's to stamp, so that's just to stamp the square box on the object that is being detected. And we have the time, so you're just going to add a sleep function from the extension to have some time in between detection of the object. So it's not detecting the objects almost immediately, so it has a delay time in between of it. So we're going to be testing this. I'm going to run all now. Okay, a person, bicycle, a car, and another bicycle. Okay, so I'm going to be changing the backdrop also, so we could use another no, I'm going to use another backdrop. Okay, so I have this one, and I'm going to run the program again to detect this. Okay, a car, a person, and the car, and that's it. Thank you.